Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a page unclickable in Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to organize your navigation menu with category headers that expand into subpages rather than linking directly to content themselves. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From these options, select Website. This will take you to the specific website settings you need to modify. Now, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely certain that this is the correct website where you wish to add the unclickable page. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking at this stage saves you from making changes to the wrong project. From this page, locate the Design Site button positioned at the top part of your screen. It's typically placed beside a pen icon, making it fairly easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage of the setup. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design and structural modifications happen. Start by locating the Pages and Menu button, which you'll find on the left navigation menu. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear, showing you all the pages currently in your site's navigation structure. From the expanded Pages menu, scroll down until you locate the Add Menu Item option at the bottom of the page list. Click on it and a selection of page types will appear. This is where things get interesting. From the Pages menu, select Drop Down. This page type is essentially a placeholder that doesn't link to any actual content, making it perfect for creating unclickable menu headers. Once the page is added, rename it to whatever menu label you wish to be unclickable. For this tutorial, we'll use Calendar as our example. After renaming it, drag it to the position where you want it to appear in your navigation menu. Then, take any submenu items that should appear under this header and place them beneath this new drop-down page. This creates a hierarchical structure where the main label acts as a category, and the items underneath are the actual clickable links. Now, to test that everything is working correctly, head to Preview mode. Hover your cursor over the Calendar menu and you'll notice that while it doesn't link anywhere itself, it reveals the submenu items beneath it. This confirms that your unclickable page is functioning exactly as intended. And that's it. You've successfully created an unclickable menu item in Wix that organizes your navigation without linking to a separate page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.